Welcome to Today Drive, where we explore the most exciting innovations in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the Model 2025, a hypercar designed to push the limits of speed, technology, and design. Revolutionary design. The Model 2025 isn't just another hypercar, it's a statement. With an aerodynamic body sculpted for maximum downforce and efficiency, it blends futuristic aesthetics with cutting-edge performance. The striking honeycomb wheels and aggressive stance make it look like it belongs in the future, yet it's built for today's roads. Unparalleled performance under the hood. The Model 2025 is powered by a V8 quad-turbo engine, delivering breathtaking acceleration and top speeds that challenge the fastest cars on the planet. Paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system and precision aerodynamics, it offers unmatched control and responsiveness. Next-gen technology. The cockpit of the Model 2025 is a technological masterpiece. A fully digital interface, AI-assisted driving modes, and advanced driver assistance systems make every drive a seamless experience. Whether on the track or the open road, this car adapts to the driver's every command. Limited production and exclusivity. Only a select few will get their hands on the Model 2025. With limited production and exclusive customization options, it's more than just a car, it's a collector's dream. Each unit is crafted with precision, ensuring that every owner experiences something truly unique. Conclusion. The Model 2025 represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering, combining speed, luxury, and innovation like never before. What do you think of this futuristic beast? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth car features. Thanks for watching Today Drive.